In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy silver on Interactive Brokers. Now currently, I'm inside IBKR desktop over here, so you want to go to the top left and you want to go to the search box and you want to look for silver. Now as you can see here, it's going to pop a bunch of things up and you can go to commodities over here on the right hand side and it's going to give you the result, which is XAG USD, and it says London Silver. You can just click on that, and mind you, to buy silver on Interactive Brokers, you will first have to enable metals trading permissions in the client portal. So if you don't see it, that's why you don't see it, because you haven't enabled that yet. And then of course you'll be able to come back in here and find it. And whenever you do, here you can do some chart analysis, you can look at it, whatever. I'm no financial advisor, I just want to show you how to actually physically click the buttons inside the app. And then you want to go to the buy order on the right hand side here, and you can go ahead and select your order, the quantity, and then the type of your order you want to do. Here, if you have a limit order, you can select your price, the limit price you want to do, and then time in force can be also selected. You can add the attached orders, which is basically a take profit or a stop loss. And then whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and click on preview. And then here you can see kind of the preview of your buy order. And then of course you could also do advanced over here if you want any advanced settings. And then when you are ready, just click on submit buy order over here. Your order will be submitted. And then that way you can just buy silver. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.